In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this Tunisian stitch strap using a regular crochet hook. This is a low to no stretch strap. It's easy to make. I'll show you how. So to get started, I'm going to first need to attach it to whatever the hardware is going to be. And I'm going to put, say, 8 stitches. That's pretty average for a bag, unless it's a very slim bag. Go under, get the loop up, and then pull through. So from here, I'm going to hold my tail so that I can start wrapping it under as I go. So awkward to work on these wood hoops, but it's just for the setup. So yarn over, pull through 1. Keep that tail under there, pull up to make a stitch, yarn over, pull through 1. So I'm going to start building up my 8 on here. I've got 3, yarn over, pull through 1, 4, yarn over, pull through 1, and I'm using a 4mm hook with a category 4 yarn, so it's a little bit smaller, but if it's big, the strap will just be annoyingly stretchy, and I don't think anyone wants that. All right, so it's 5, yarn over, pull through 1, it's 6 on the hook, 7, just pull through 1, and 8, pull through 1. All right, there's my tail is secure. So from here, we start working back. First yarn over, just pull through 1, that's it. Then yarn over, hold it and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Do I have a split? Let me see. Yes. No splits in the bag straps. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And this is what it looks like. Not this front post, so you're going to be working in these stitches that are facing you. Not this one, but this one. Scoop it with your hook, then go behind the back part of that stitch. You see it back there? And bring the yarn through, pull up. So if I turn it this way, you can see here's the V. Here and here, the hook will come in. What can I use? Use a tweezer right here. So the hook is coming back here, through here, and then pulling the yarn in from behind. That's part of the stitch. Scoop that front, then go behind it, bring the yarn up, again, scoop it, go behind, pull up, scoop, go behind, pull up, so now I have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I need 8. So that last stitch, you can't really go behind, so you'll go to the side. Here's that front of the stitch, so you'll just grab the whole stitch, turn it towards you, put both those loops on your hook, and then bring it up. Now we go back, same way. Yarn over, pull through 1, over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, split yarn, not good, yarn over, pull through 2, through 2, through 2, 2, through 2. Again, not going into that one, going into the second one facing, go behind and pull up that yarn. Go behind, pull up, scoop, go behind, pull up, I might be splitting my yarn. Let me check that. There we go. And that last stitch, find that side, get both right there, both on the hook. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, splitting yarn. You have to watch that with this one. There we go, through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and now it's starting to look like a woven strap. There's really very little pull with this because it's kind of got this internal girdle keeping it stabilized, and then using the smaller hook allows for less kind of air between the stitches so they won't pull apart so easily. So you're going to just keep doing this until you get the length that you would like, and then I will come back and show you how to secure it to the other end. I'm going to give you a little tip. If your strap is starting to look curvy or wonky, it's probably because of this end stitch. So I want to point out and also give you a tip of how to make sure you're going into the right one. So you see as you're going across, here's your post that you're working behind and between, right? And when you come to the end, it's going to be twisted a little bit. And you may be going up here into this instead of to this. So what you can do until you kind of get used to your flow and have to rip a lot out after you've already worked, 20, 30 rows of this, go across and find that last long stitch, which is this one right here, and put the marker in it. But you'll see when you get there, it's a fully formed stitch, and this up here is going to look twisted and smaller. So I'm going to mark that and work my next row. Come in, go behind, between and behind, pull up a loop. Between and behind. And also as you're working, make sure you're getting the whole stitch in here and it's not being split. you'll know very quickly because it's going to look uneven if you've grabbed it incorrectly. We're humans, we make mistakes, but this is easily fixed. Scoop, go behind. Right, so here I am at the last stitch. And it can look like I should be going up here if this marker wasn't here. Take that out. Go in there. Find the other part of it. Go in there. And pull through. Pull through the first, and you see I've got all my bees are lined up here. Pull through two. You'll see how that made that slanted stitch up there? This is where I'm working when I come back this time, right there. You can mark it now or mark it when you start the row if you need to, or just want to be sure. So now I'm going to show you how to connect this. So instead of going into your stitch where you are coming at it from the left side, you're going to go into the right side and behind the stitch, and then bring up your loop. And pull through. Again, go in from the right side, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through. And from here, just straighten it a bit. Make it look nice. I'll cut my yarn and then use a tapestry needle to just pull it through like this. The starting one was worked where the yarn was worked under the foundation stitches. You have your, it really just isn't moving much, a little bit, pull thread. And I kind of like this back side. It reminds me a little bit of a reptile, a pebble look. I think I've got a helicopter flying over. Yes. So depending on the stitch you're using, you know, this could be a nice side as well.